Welcome back to Partick Hill Station. I'm Charlie. Now, you may have seen this warship that I picked up at George's Trains. It's a dummy, but when I brought it home, took it apart, this is what I found. There's no motor. There's the casing for the motor, one at either end, but there's nothing inside it. Those are just shells. So, you know, if I'm going to be using this, it will be as a double header, and in order to do that, you know, I need to find couplings that are suitable for this. Now, this is a mainline loco, a warship, and as you see, it's number 827. So if anybody's got any information out there where I could find the couplings, you know, if they're broken, or if I need to buy new bogies, whatever, I'd appreciate if you let me know. Anyway, just a quick one for you, and look forward to hearing from you and seeing your comments here at Partick Hill Station. Bye for now.